Welcome to Receptive Solutions, your one-stop solution to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. If you want to go to Europe and work there and explore Europe as a destination, this is one of the visa that can actually help you because Italian government is targeting those highly skilled people with experience to actually come and explore the possibility. First, you have to go there, and once you start working, there is a possibility that you can actually bring your family and apply for their residency as well once you get it. So let's discuss what are the criteria, what are the documents that you have to submit, how would you qualify, and once you get it, what are the benefits. The qualification actually based on income, then insurance and the work experience. These are the main three criteria on which this digital nomad visa is being rolled out by the Italian government. So Italian government is actually calling the people who are digital nomads. They are actually defining that people who are non-EU or Swiss citizens possessing high skills and can work remotely as a self-employed people or also collaborate with different companies. So first of all is the income criteria. So annually it has to be at least 28,000 euros or $30,400. That is the minimum criteria for the income. You need to have health insurance covered for the entire period of the stay. Then you need to have the accommodation that needs to be fixed. Your track record of at least 6 months before applying for the visa, for the qualification, for the experience as a digital nomad, as a digital nomad worker. The qualification is very similar to the EU Blue Card, so the advantages also are very much similar. And if you do not know about the EU Blue Card, I've actually done a video before. You can actually go back, check, and understand the benefits of getting a blue card. What is exactly the eligibility criteria? So eligibility criteria first comes is the 3-year bachelor degree or equivalent. Then chartered professionals like doctor, lawyer, accountants, actually they can also apply. Superior professional qualifications such as IT industry and serving as director or manager level. So this is the actually kind of level or the kind of people that they are looking for. What are the documents that needs to be submitted for getting this digital nomad visa? First is definitely a valid passport with a validity of at least 3 months plus after the stay and 2 blank pages. You have specific criteria related to the size and the quality of the picture. So you need to have 2 recent colored passport size photo. Then visa application, visa fee check, and travel reservation ticket. So let's talk about the validity. So validity of the permanent resident is actually up to 1 year, and it can be renewed without any difficulty if all the criteria are met. Basically, once you get this, there are a lot of advantage, and like I said, you can also later, once you are there, you can actually apply for the minors or for the spouses, for elderly dependent parents. You can actually apply for their permanent residency as well. If you are specifically looking for certain kind of videos, certain information, do write it, do let us know. You can actually go to the web page, which is receptivesolutionsco.in, and all your queries will be answered. Thank you so much. Bye.